How to log in into Amazon account. Welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can log in into Amazon account. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up your preferred browser in your device, and in the search bar type in amazon.com. Now you'll be taken into the official web page. If you already have an application, you can also log in using the application in the same process. So once you land on this page, tap on sign in button at the top right corner of this home page. Now in order to sign in, first of all you have to enter your email address or phone number associated with your Amazon account. Then tap continue. Then type in the password associated with your account and make sure to type in the correct password. In case if you forgot your password, there is a link provided that says forget password. Tap on it and that's going to help you recover your account. If not, you can also log in using with a passkey. If you have a passkey, tap on it and use your passkey to log in. Now once done, tap on sign in. Now you have to complete this additional security check. Here it says you have to solve this puzzle to protect your account, so enter the letters and numbers above. Then tap continue. And once you have completed the verification, you will successfully logged into your account, and now you will be redirected to the Amazon homepage as you can see here, and now you can start shopping or managing your account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.